Hey there YouTube fans, AC Productions here, and today we're going to be reviewing front wing for the R3, which goes in front of the headlights. So it kind of acts as like a little wing, give the bike a little bit more downforce, I'm kind of guessing, or it could be just cosmetic. So we're just going to be doing a small review. There's not much to this part. Only thing I can say is that it's pretty good, constructed pretty good. So if we look at it, and it has some pretty good weight, it's not hollow whatsoever. There's no hollow points on it. It is all one solid piece. So it does have a little bit of weight. It doesn't feel like cheap plastic at all. Construction is pretty good, really smooth on it. And the installation on it, it is super easy. Wait until you get to that video. I'm sure the video installation is probably going to be less than a minute. That's how easy it is to install this thing. Alright, so that's not much to this video actually. So from a distance, let's see if I zoom out a little bit. That's how it looks like from a distance. Like I said, it does have that Batwing kind of profile. Maybe if I do it this way, it looks like it. Well, it's kind of hard to show. There we go. So like that, it kind of has that Batwing profile to it. So I'm guessing that's how they got their name to it, name for it. And so let's get to the imperfections to see if we could find any. So let's do a little close-up view. As you can see, it does have a very smooth finish on this front, the winglet is what I would call it. Now, I don't see any real imperfections. This is not a screw hole, it's just a hole to insert one of the body pins, and that's how you can install it. So I don't see any imperfections. I do see a little bit right here. If you look at it closely, there is an indent right there. But this part's going to be inside the bike, so you'll never see it. So it's okay if there's something there. Preferably if there was nothing there, that'd be great. And what else we could see? Just little rough edges there. You can see it in the camera there. That's okay. Other than that, the main part of this winglet is really smooth, and there is no imperfections on it. Let's see in the front here. I do see I came across this part right here. Little chip. But that's okay. This one's going to be pointed towards the bottom, so you're not really going to see it unless you really look really close at it. Other than that, it's looking really well. Let's check out the underneath part. As you can see, there is a scratch here, but this is really my fault. As I was unpacking this, I used the razor blade. I think I went too deep and I kind of scratched it over here. That's my fault, not packaging fault. And over here, there's nothing, and it's all pretty smooth. And then on the inside, I wanted to get a flashlight so I could show you that inside part. You could see some imperfections in there, but I'm guessing that's part of the process on making this part. You guys can see in there, hopefully it's not too blurry there. So I'm guessing that's just the process of making this part, but like I said, this part's going to go on the inside of the bike and you'll never see it. And it has, it doesn't bother the construction of this piece, because like I said, it's a good solid piece, so I don't think that part's really going to matter on it. But the overall, really good. I like it. Can't wait to install it on the bike. It's, like I said, installation is pretty super easy. You're just going to have to change a few things. The pins that go on the front of your bike are going to change, but I'll get to that when we do the installation video. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this review video of the front R3 winglet, otherwise known as the Batwing. If you guys did, hit that like button. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. That way you guys will be up to date with the latest videos once I post them up on the channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll also have a link in the description below on where I purchased this Batwing from. And again, thanks for watching.